22nd of June 2021, and this is Kasarmikatu 9 staircase here in Kuopio, northern Savo region of Finland, with 8 floors. And this staircase original capacity is 3 persons of 25 grams, built in 1960, turned 60 years old in the last year, 2020. Probably spring or summer 1960. It's going to be inspected in 2023. So number is 9145. I think I've also been in this staircase B here. Amazing sounds.
Yeah.
The relays in the staircase B are also amazing.
Yeah.
We were pretty lucky because I just dragged the door open in staircase B and then the basement was open.
Yeah.
The basement is actually without locks.
Yeah.
Or it has locks but the storage is.
Yeah.
It sounds like the lock system has been changed.
Yeah.
Maybe in the 1990s they didn't have to do anything else here.
Yeah.
And that's good because everything is still in good condition technically.
Yeah.
As it is maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Inspected by lines.
And the right floors here. And I also like the vibrations.
Yes. Here.
Old and amazing.
Yeah.
To the first floor.
Why?
Okay.
We started at the basement.
Okay.
That's